Okay guys, we've got another ghost train down in Knutsford, down for the Mayfair and Easter. We've got a long way to travel for this, so make sure that you give us a thumbs up and a subscribe if you could. Right, let's get on it and get it done. Oh, it's tight. And we're off. And this one was made by William Balson, UK 2003. And I don't know why I'm shouting because it's fairly quiet just here. Oh, this goes up a long way. This one's a 3. Could even be a 4, but I think it's a 3 tier. Yeah, this is high up. Blimey. I'll spin him around for you in a minute. You can see how high up we are. Yeah, don't go on too many ghost trains this high up. Bumpity 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 bump, bumpity bump. Oh, no, that looks a steep drop. Head ticklers! Head ticklers! And more head ticklers! I like their head ticklers on this one. Jesus! And we're still going. Oh my God, look at this drop. Well, you can't, it's too miss. Whoa! Whoa, 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 Whoa! Yeah, great stuff. Like it, AIDEN LEACH, ghost train.